Please don't forget to follow and like.
Tigers returned to Kazakhstan after 70 years of extinction. More than 7 decades after being declared extinct, tigers are set to roam the wild landscapes of Kazakhstan once again. Kazakhstan has launched a massive restoration project in the South Balkhash region, planting tens of thousands of trees to rebuild natural habitat. The Caspian tiger, which disappeared in the 1940s, will now be replaced by the Amur tiger, a genetically similar subspecies. 2 tigers have already arrived for a breeding program, while wild tigers from Russia are expected in 2026. This historic effort marks a major step in restoring an apex predator to Central Asia's ecosystem.